Hi guys, hope you are all doing well. Now it's again time that I want to make something that I can give away. I'm going to use this piece of wood to make a gift for 3 people. I could maybe use this to make gift for 6 people, but because it's me, I want to make it a little bit more difficult, so this is enough only for 3 people. And because this piece of wood is oiled, I have to get rid of this layer of oil, and I'm going to use my thickness planer for that. Otherwise I can't glue pieces together. Even if these are only candle holders, I want to make them a little bit more special. And I'm going to use edge grain method for this one. Anyway, this board only would be too thin. Using this edge grain method, I can make it more thick, and I can kind of sink these candles inside the wood. I really like to use these clamps. These are strong and these were also very cheap. I think these red ones I ordered from Amazon, and 4 sets was under 50 francs. These pipes I can buy from our local shop. That's some kind of standard. I think these were way under 10 francs per piece. And for these I'm just going to use normal wood glue. It doesn't have to be food safe. Good thing in this project is that I can use only scrap wood, what I have from my previous projects. I want to make some thin stripes. Those should be thin enough that I can bend them, and I have no idea how thick is too thick that it won't bend anymore, so I have to make some test cuts first. I did some test cuts and 5 mm was too thick. It wasn't bending that much, so I ended up making stripes which were about 3 mm thick. Next I have to make one side flat with my thickness planer. I have to first clean this glue. After this thickness planer, I got this wood to 3 equal length pieces. Now the creative part. I don't want to go too crazy with these angles because I don't know how this wood will bend. I think it will bend. And now let the glue dry. this one looks pretty good. This one even better. That was the most simple one. But this one, that's a little bit bad, kind of. This piece moved a little bit too much. Well, it is what it is. I will see how it looks when I will clean all these. Maybe I will just give this to a friend, which I don't like so much. That was a joke, of course. Now I have to do this size straight. I can't use this as a reference with my table saw because this is coming too much out, so I have to use my jig with this, and hopefully it will work. Where all this stuff is going? I will also do these ends with this table saw because this cut is so much cleaner than with my miters. So. This looks pretty good so far. Of course I will clean all these edges with my router later and then I have to sand everything and blah blah blah. In my eyes this looks a little bit too simple. What do you think? What's going to happen if I will take this through my thickness planer? Is this going to rip? I was first thinking that I will carve here something with my laser. This surface is not very smooth and I'm sure that it won't look very good. So I'm going old-fashioned way and I will just drill a slot here and I will glue here my logo plate. To this logo plate I will write something. I drilled slots for 2 candles. Those slots should be so deep that if I would use normal 18mm board, this drill bit would go through this board. That was one reason why I wanted to use edge grain method to build these boards. I will clean these edges also with 45-degree router bit. It's just going there, so it should work. In this moment when I'm applying this finish, the difference is quite big between these three boards. But after some time, when this oil is soaking a little bit and I'm wiping away this excess material, in the end the difference is not that big anymore between these three boards.